Hi, boys and girls. We've been working a lot with addition and subtraction, and there are many ways that we have learned to solve these problems. So we're going to review some of them today because your seesaw assignment for today is going to be figuring out what kind of problem it is. So we have learned about part, whole, where we are given some parts and we find the whole. Or we might be given one part and the whole, and we have to find a missing part. Another way we have learned is joining and separating. So joining means we're putting things together. Separating means we're taking them apart. Our third way that we have learned is doing our model drawing or drawing it out. So today we're going to look at some different ways to solve our problems, and we're going to sort them by listening to the story problem and seeing which way we could use to solve this problem. So let's look at this screen. All right, it says there are 5 blue beads and 2 red beads. How many beads are there? So let's think. It tells us there are 5 blue and 2 red. Is that going to be a part, whole problem? Is that going to be a joining or separating problem? That will be a part, whole. There are 5 beads and 5 blue beads and 2 red beads. That means we have a part and a part. So we need to find the whole. The whole would be 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2, let's write this, gives me 7 beads. And this is a part, whole type of problem. Let's look at the next one. Devin had 4 candies. Julie gave him 3 more. How many candies does Devin have now? So let's listen to that problem. Devin had 4 candies. Julie gave him 3 more. How many candies does Devin have now? So Devin didn't have all of the candies to start with. So this is not going to be a part, whole problem. This is going to be a joining problem. So I'm going to write join because Devin had some and Julie had some, and they joined them together. So Devin had 4 plus Julie gave him 3. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. Let's look at our next problem. Simon saw 6 parked cars. 2 cars drove away. How many cars are still parked? So Simon is seeing some cars and then some are driving away. So what kind of problem is that? That's a separate, right? There is a group of cars and some of them leave. So that is a separate problem. And let's solve it. So there were 6 cars that were parked and 2 drove away. That means we are taking some away. 3's our minus sign. So 6 minus 2 equals 4. Let's look at our last problem. Tony has 5 pets. 3 of his pets are dogs and the rest are cats. How many cats does Tony have? What kind of problem is this? A part, whole, a join, or a separate problem? This one is a part, whole. It gives us the whole and it gives us a part. So this is a part, whole problem. So it told us our whole. Our whole was 5. Tony had 5 pets. 3 of his pets are dogs. How many cats does he have? That's the rest of his pets. So we're going to subtract. So he had 5 altogether, but 3 of them are dogs. That means his other pets are cats. So 5 minus 3 equals 2. Tony has 2 cats. So today you are going to decide, is it a part, whole problem? It is a join problem, or is it a separate problem?